English conversation practice.
I learned English by myself.
That's amazing. Good job.
Do you have a lot of friends here?
Yes, I've made quite a few friends.
How many sisters have you?
I have 2 sisters.
Where do they live?
They live in the same city as me.
Why don't they like me?
I'm not sure. Maybe we can find out.
What do they do?
One is a teacher, and the other is a nurse.
Where are they going?
They're heading to the market.
How many brothers have you?
I have 1 brother.
How much do I owe you?
You owe me $20.
What does that word mean?
It means to be happy or joyful.
How much money do you have?
I have about $50 with me.
What time is it there now?
It's 3 p.m. here.
When did you come here last time?
I was here last summer.
Who was the last person to see you?
My friend, John.
Where did you meet her?
I met her at a conference.
What did he tell her?
He told her about the meeting.
Who are you?
I'm your new neighbor.
What is your name?
My name is Smith.
What is the name of this book?
It's called The Great Gatsby.
When is the next train leaving?
The next train leaves at 5 p.m.
Where does the train go?
It goes to the city center.
Why are you standing here?
I'm waiting for a friend.
Why did you come to Japan?
I came here for work.
How many times has he been to Japan?
He has been to Japan 3 times.
When did you learn English?
I learned English in high school.
Where do you study?
I studied at Oxford University.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are we going?
We're going to the mall.
Why didn't she come today?
She wasn't feeling well.
When do you go home?
I go home at 6 p.m.
How did he know?
He found out from a friend.
Why did she come to you?
She needed my help with something.
Where was I born?
You were born in New York.
What time will you be home?
I'll be home by 8 p.m.
Where did he come from?
He came from Canada.